So, good day, instructor and other viewers. This is my week 7 assignment CIT 326. This is the scenario. So, this first one, you realize you need to explain to Raf and Carl why you think the overuse of system admin role can cause trouble and should be avoided. So, from my own perspective, I find out that when there's too much login, too much access to system admin role, it can create a security breach. It can also slow down the system. Why? Because of too much login and too much activities on the back end. So these are reasons why it should be avoided by all costs. Then, 2, implement daily schedule check for all login system admin role to keep all tabs. So first one, create a SQL authenticated login for RAF. I did that. This is RAF. I created accounts for RAF, login account for RAF. It's already login on it. Then 2, investigate security catalog view. I did that by this is the query I run. The first query I tried did not have complete detail like date, created, updated. So I decided to run this other one. This is the first one I run was this, which did not give me full detail of they only give me the name and the status. So but I wanted to get more detail so that I can know when a certain person log in. So I tried this other query, which I was able to have log name, type, disable, system created, all those stuff. So that's for that particular scenario. Then set up a custom audit job that run daily. So I did that. This is it. So I created this thing. Let's see how it works. Let me start a job. Wow, success. So I created that, start job. I created 2 steps, start job and create a okay. I created 2. One is create a table, and the second one is insert data into the table. So it runs daily. It runs daily. Then the D, login RAF and simulate its behavior by creating a 4 new logins. I created a 4 new logins. I created a 4 new logins. I created Diego, Victoria, Terry, and Ruby. So run a custom audit again to see if it's capture the behavior in step D. Run a custom audit. Okay. Let me this custom audit. Let me go back to so that went through. But concerning, I equally check the logins. So after I created that, I was able to capture Diego, which I created after I've created Raf. Was able to capture Ruby, Cherry, Ruby. Those were the login I created. Then Victoria was able to also capture that as well. So then back to 5. Okay, I think that's all. This assignment, this semester, I've gone through a lot of challenges. If you check my instance here, this is not my PC. After I completed this assignment on Saturday, my PC crashed. My PC login is Diego 710. This is someone's PC I am using to see if I can get this assignment through this semester. So I have to sort out PC that has up to 8 gig that I can work on, because the other one I used was not up to 8 gig. That's why it crashed. So I've gone through a lot in this semester with this particular course, and I hope I'll be able to get across. I also appreciate the effort of my instructor in seeing that I get through to the cross line. It's been a very disappointing, it's been a very somehow stressful, based on issue with PC. I lost my PC on a vehicle, then the one I got crashed, then this another one that's a different instance name, the server name. So thank you for watching my explanation. Bye bye.